there, my name is Dora. I'm a format expert, and this video is to show you how to set up image protection for your site's images. In order to achieve this, you will need to go to Settings, which is located here, in the lower left side corner of your screen and the left side toolbar. Then click on Site, and once within the site settings, you will need to scroll further down the page until you see the Protect Images option over here. In order to turn on the Protect Images option, you will need to click on the toggle here to enable it. And if you want to, you can also customize the message that comes up when site visitors will right-click your images. After that, you can save changes for the change to apply to your live site. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to us via chat. The chat icon is located here in the lower right-hand side corner of your screen, or via email at info@format.com, and we'd be more than happy to help.